Sometimes animals are observed in the wild that are a tad unusual. Check out these 12 wildlife species that raise more questions than they answer about evolution. A fossa. Is it a cat? Is it a dog? It is native to Madagascar and is a cat-like mammal closely related to the mongoose. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, he's so adorable.
Looks like a mountain lion's body with like
Cat's head.
a pit bull face.
Yeah.
An American pit face.
Yeah, plus has a cat's head.
Yeah.
Cat-sized head. Okay, next.
Okapi
Oh, I've heard of this before.
or okapi.
I've heard of it on Line Guard.
What are they?
They are... Okapis are a striped zebra horse thingy.
Nope. While this guy looks like a zebra crossbreed, he's actually more closely related to the giraffe.
I was about to say, I couldn't think of the name, but it said...
He's definitely got a giraffe face.
Yeah, I was about to say giraffe, but I couldn't think of the word.
With a horse body and zebra legs.
Yeah.
How
Okay.
cute.
Yeah, next.
This is a dik-dik. A small species of antelope. This deer has eyes so large they look cartoonish.
So cute, though.
You're not paying attention with your camera.
Next.
This is a leafy sea dragon. Related to the seahorse, this aquatic animal looks more like a decoration for the Chinese New Year. They can be found floating off the coasts of Australia. That is cool, like the coolest. Snub-nosed monkey.
I've heard of this one before, too, on Wildcrats.
This monkey is kind of cute, but it also looks like something that came out of Jumanji.
No kidding.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm like, no kidding.
Lowland streaked tenrec.
That's kind of cute.
Local to Madagascar, we don't even know what to make of this rat-like creature. I think it looks like an anteater slash porcupine
And
slash
rat.
possum.
And then rat feet.
Those are possum feet.
Oh.
Possum-like feet.
All right, next.
Panda ant.
That's terrifying.
It's called a panda ant. If you see this guy anywhere, you better get away fast. While it may have ant in its name, it's actually a wingless wasp with one of the most painful stings on Earth.
Then why did...
Look! It looks like a spider ant.
Next.
Like a tarantula ant.
Next.
It's a tufted deer. Look, he's got a
Tooth.
what is it? A fang. There are so many laughable things about this animal.
But
From
it's
the
still
silly
cute.
tuft of hair to the single protruding tooth. He's so cute. He kind of looks. He's got like kangaroo-ish type ears, like the tuft of hair that a giraffe would usually have, with like a donkey body and a donkey face with fangs.
And it has a donkey-colored coat.
Yep.